Hello students, a very good morning to all the students. So students, we are going through the chapter sense organs, and in our previous classes we have already completed some of our sense organs, that is eyes, ears and nose. So students, today we are going to start with skin, and we all know that skin produces sense of touch or feel. Okay students, so you see, our skin help us to find out what a thing is like. So students, who help us to find out the different things? It's our skin. With the help of our skin, we can find out what a thing is like. It help us to feel. That means skin help us to feel different things. Okay students. To know if a thing is hot, cold, soft, hard, rough or smooth, we need to touch it. So students, in order to know whether a thing is hot, cold, soft and so on, what we need to do? We just need to touch it. By touching, we can feel the different things. Okay students, so if we touch this one, we will feel hot because it's a hot tea. Okay students, so like this is the ice. If we touch it, we will feel cold. Okay, so now we are moving on to working of the skin. How do our skin work? The skin touches an object. So students, as soon as the skin touches an object, the nerves of the skin will send message to the brain. So students, after we touch an object, the nerves that are present in our skin will send message to the brain, and then what happens? The brain will read the message and enable us to feel the object. So students, what happened? The brain will read the message and then it will enable us to feel the object. So I hope it is clear to you. It's just similar like other sense organs. So if any doubt, you can ask me. Now moving on to the next topic, that is care of the skin. So, how can we take care of our skin? These are the following ways. So, number one, you see, we should take a bath with soap and water to remove dirt and sweat from our skin. So, students, in order to remove the dirt and sweat from our skin, we need to take proper bath with soap and water. Okay, so next one, you see, we should always wear clean clothes. So students, in order to protect our skin from different diseases, we need to wear clean clothes regularly. Okay students, we should apply an antiseptic lotion on any scratch or cut on the skin to keep away the germs. So students, whenever there is scratch or any cut in your skin, what you need to do? We need to apply an antiseptic lotion. So after applying that lotion, we will be able to keep away the germs. Okay students, so I hope it is clear to you. These three are the ways of taking care of your skin. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a good day.